Alright, so you want to do rendering and whatnot, and create like I do, a key thing. So for one, let's like draw a little, let's draw a ball, really shitty little ball, but just gets the point across well enough. A key thing you want this brush right here, which is the, if you can see the name right there, the marker Chisel Smooth. I don't know where this is at by default, but I haven't added it to my favorites for my convenience, but so a key thing you want to do is obviously you make another layer, and then let's color it. Fuck it like that. Alright, we got that colored in. So now what you want to do is you go right here, right click, go to group, quick clipping group, and you want to use, I'm assuming you know how clipping layers work, so obviously you can, if you paint anywhere, it doesn't go anywhere except for the layer beneath it. So we want to take advantage of that with, let's see, so for colors, I think you already know how this works for shading. If you want a warmer direction, you do something more like this. So you just want to obviously do your basic hard shading, and then you want to just kind of steadily and like slowly, very like subtly start erasing and then restroking. Just kind of like reshaping it to your liking until it has like the look that you want. You kind of want ideally something like this, but again, you always want to just keep on subtly restroking. And then after that, you also, you want to sit there and just mess with the opacity till it's like somewhere like that where it's decent. You like, just where you're happy with it. So something like this. You don't got to do this part, but for my own sake, I'll mess with the line art color. Make that a clipping group as well. I'm gonna paint tool it and then merge with layer below. You don't gotta do that part. That's how I personally do it for my sake. So there you go. And then you could also just group the whole thing together. So if you want to move it around, you can just do that. I didn't mean to spin it, but